So the wait is over, Android 11 is here, well the developer preview is, and we're going to show you how to sideload it on your Pixel device. Thanks for watching 9to5Google on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe and enable notifications with the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. First you'll need to do a few things. We recommend backing up your Pixel device or restoring before going through this process, although of course that isn't necessary, it is worth doing though in case something goes wrong. With that out of the way, you'll need to grab the correct OTA file for your device, link in the description to all of the OTA files, as you will be sideloading using Adb. You'll then need to move that into the Platform Tools folder for later on. Again, before we proceed, you'll also need to ensure that your Pixel has USB debugging enabled within Developer Settings. If you've already previously installed Platform Tools and it's in a familiar location, open a command prompt window by typing cmd within the file browser box to quickly open a command prompt window within the right place. Now we need to put our Pixel into recovery mode. To do this, fully power down your handset, then hold on the power button and the volume down button at the exact same time until you get to the bootloader page. Using your volume buttons, you'll now need to scroll down to recovery mode, select this by clicking the power button. Alternatively, if you're already connected to a computer via Adb, you can use the Reboot Recovery command. Now you should see a smaller Android lying down with an exclamation mark over it. From here, press the power button and the volume up button for around about a second to fully enter recovery mode. Releasing the volume up button will send you into recovery. Using the volume buttons again, scroll down to the Apply Update from Adb and select it with the power button. This will launch a mostly blank screen with text near the bottom directing you on how to sideload the OTA. Now you'll need to connect your Pixel to your computer if you haven't done so already. Type in Adb Sideload in the command prompt window along with the correct file name complete with a .zip extension. If you've done this correctly, it will begin sideloading, and after a while it should bring you back into recovery mode screen where you can reboot into Android 11 or Android R. And that's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy Android 11 or at least the developer preview 1 on your smartphone, although we don't recommend installing on your main and only Pixel as it's not intended for general use. Of course, this is the first of 3 unstable developer previews before a public beta later this year. Although with that said, even though this is a developer preview, if you have installed it, let us know how you're getting on down in the comment section below. This is Damien with 9to5Google saying thanks for watching, but until next time, I will speak to you later.